Alright, we're at our little stream here and we're going to try some indicator fishing real quick. And there we go. Yeah, that was the one. Ooh, that's a pretty nice sized one, yeah. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Ooh, yeah, that's a nice fish. Where I can get them because I forgot my net when I came out for traveling. Whoa, baby, look at that one. It's a nice fish. I don't know if you can see him, but I'm not even going to touch him if I can. I'm just going to get my hook back. Look at that. Come on, baby, don't roll. There you go. Look at that one. Wow, nice fish. Okay, we found the right one. There we are. Oh. Yeah. There's a littler one. Nice little trout. Oh, I'm missing them. There we go. Nice fish. They're little, or kind of little. Not as little as I've caught in the past, but they're still little. Nope, he came off the hook just like I hoped. It's deeper than it looks over there. There we go. Boy, they're liking that fly, that nymph. Ooh, that's a nice one there. I hope you can see him because I'm not going to pull him out of the water. He's got a lot of spook left. I don't want you too tired out. Hold still. There you go, pal. You're set. There we go. It's a nice fish. Oh, he did it for me. Thank you, buddy. There we go. Oh, I missed him. There we go. Oh. Missed him too. They're really soft mouth. They don't, they bite and spit it out pretty fast. There we go. Oh, I'm not setting the hook very good, apparently. Alright, I think I've had enough fun for this morning, and we're going to head back to Roseville, Utah, and manage my way back through these boulders. So, here we go. It's alright. I'm done. That was fun. Hey, chewed the hell out of that one. No keeping that one. Well, that was fun. Yeah, now there's my indicator rig. Alright. That easy. Alright. That's about it for this little fishing trip. This was just a little quickie on my way home, and I spent about an hour down there, and most of it was just figuring out what they wanted, and then it started working. So anyway, thanks for joining us, and if you liked the video and want to see more, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so you can keep up with us, and like and share videos with your friends and neighbors. We appreciate it. Till next time, remember, life's a gift. Get outdoors. See you now. Bye.